Okay, so yay, looky there. They are teeth. I figured this might be plastic and stapled on, but it's a metal seat pan. Look how cherry she is. And someone's going fast over here. Okay, so going to put the seat cover on. My biggest tip is whatever seat cover you buy, throw it in the dryer for about 30 minutes and let it get nice and hot. And right now I've got it bundled up, but you can see how much it wads up. And yeah, the vinyl's just real pliable, so I try to keep it warm until I'm ready to rock and roll with it. And yeah, that's the game plan. That's the game plan. So I've taken all the hooks and I've got them back up, and those all look good. So I'm gonna get this thing thrown back on here. So while this girl's nice and warm. I don't know. It may tighten up on me. I'll be okay with it. Okay, I'll be back. So there it is, all done up. We'll see how.
On that side?
Yeah, there's a lot of dirt.
On this side?
Uh-huh.
There's a lot dirt on this here.
Yep.
You better fix it.
Spray her down real good. Dry it off.
You will dry it off.
You'll dry it off.
No, you.
Stinker.
No, you.
You.
No, you.
You're a stinker. It'll do. Your seat. Show me how you put it in neutral. Yep, put it in neutral. There you go. Now put it in gear. Put it in gear. Good job.